Hey and welcome back Inspire with Fashion. My name is Aniela and today we're gonna sew another quick project from fabric leftovers. So like, subscribe and let's begin the fun! And if you like, you can use my free PDF pattern from my site agnieszkaaniela.com where you can generate any headband size you like. Before sewing, press your fabric flat. According to pattern, cut pattern elements. Upper and lower part of your headband, fold twice and pin. And sew a straight stitch 1 cm from edge. And don't forget about back stitch at the beginning and end of sewing. After you finish sewing, press flat all the seams. With the right sides together, fold in half your connector. Pin and sew a straight stitch 1 cm from the edge. Turn right side out with your safe pin. And give a good press with your iron. Thread your elastic through the casing. Secure your elastic with pins on both sides and top stitch. Place your headband right side up and pin your connector to your headband on both ends, overlapping the connector with right sides, as you can see in the video. Repeat the same step on the other side of headband. And both ends sew with straight stitch at least 1.5 cm from edge. Sew at least 2 or 3 times to secure. Cut off excess of fabric. Be careful to not cut the seams. And turn both ends right side out. Ta-da! Your headband is ready! I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one!